Now, did you know that more than 150 different languages are spoken in Bradford? It's fantastic, isn't it? Urdu, Punjabi, Polish and Slovak are the most widely spoken after English. An initiative is underway now to celebrate the language skills that can be heard in the classroom. Our communities reporter Sabia Pervez has spent the day at Bowling Park Primary School.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम मुझे बहुत पसंद है स्कूल पे because मेरी बहुत फ्रेंड्स पास है
أنا اسمي مسرة وأنا 10 سنوات. Ahoj, já mám ráda číst, to je moc zábava pro mě.
My favorite subject is English because I love writing stories.
Welcome to our school.
At Bowling Park Primary, 75% of children speak English as an additional language. But that isn't unusual here, क्योंकि ये Bradford है और इस शहर में 150 ज़बानें बोली जाती हैं. This month, these languages are being celebrated as part of a campaign to encourage people to share their stories in their own language. This bus has had its seats swapped with books and comfy cushions.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome aboard the Bradford Stories Bus.
It's now a creative space for parents, teachers and children to read and share.
About 75% of children have English as an additional language. So rather than looking at it as something as being a challenge, it's just part of our everyday life in school. We're absolutely committed to reading. Our children love it, our families love it, and this is just a real way of bringing it to life for our school. And we saw, after how many parents turned up today, just how much and how passionate our families are for reading.
It's this parental engagement that Bowling Park Primary prides itself on. They recognise children's development thrives when the child has support at home, regardless of what language they speak.
Being bilingual is an asset, and in order to sort of engage parents, it's about giving them the access and saying that your stories are important too. We've got a scrapbook which encourages intergenerational conversations where grandparents and parents become the storytellers because they're talking about their experiences, and therefore sort of encourages children to see themselves as the creators of their own narratives.
As the session draws to an end, the children are given free books to take away, a souvenir of the time they've spent on the bus.
I liked about the bus that it was like a nice homey feeling in there.
A lot of families don't read together as much, maybe they don't have time, but I think that this will inspire families to be able to enjoy books together again.
It inspired me to read more books because I saw how the man changed his expressions.
It's been a busy day at Bowling Park Primary, and perhaps one day these children will tell others of how a bus visited their school and encourage them to tell stories, regardless of their language. Sabia Pervez, BBC Look North, Bradford.